Guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your AnyViewer from the free plan. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So you want to head over to anyviewer.com guys, and if you're currently using the free plan, then you can purchase one of those paid plan. So once you're here on the website anyviewer.com, simply head over to pricing, and you have three options. You have the free versions, and as you can see, it's licensed to 1 user, 3 logins, 10 currently connected device, 2 simultaneous sessions, and you have 2 channels, 1 screen wall, and you can do file sharing. So for those who are using the free plan and just want to do something basic, this might be worth it. But as you can see, you have the professional plan, which gives you quite a lot. So the difference between the free and the professional plan is a massive upgrade. As you can see, you have 100 currently connected device, unlimited simultaneous sessions, unlimited channels, and so much more, high-speed file transfer, and so much more guys. So once you go ahead and purchase, for example, the professional plan, whether you purchase this yearly or you purchase this monthly, the price will vary, right? So this is what it looks like for the yearly plan, but you can also purchase this for 3 years, which is going to give you up to 40% off. So if I toggle this on, have a look at this, the price look absolutely different, right? So crazy price difference there guys. Now once you purchase this, you will be receiving a product key, let's say, right? And once you receive the product key in your email, you open up the AnyViewer, and in order to upgrade the AnyViewer, you want to ensure that you click on your profile, which is going to be the name on the left hand side. So this is what the AnyViewer interface look like. You can click on your profile here, and here you will see this little blue section here at the top here, which basically shows you what account you have. So at the bottom here, it says invite and get a free pro license. So you can invite someone guys and literally get a pro license for free. How amazing is that? You can learn more about the pro here, which is basically will take you back to this page here so that you can get some information about what pro offers. But of course you can check this out on your website. But again, let me show you how to upgrade. So in order to upgrade to the pro plan, once you have your product key guys, all you have to do is simply click the 3 dots here beside your username, as you can see towards the middle, and then you have the options that says enter license code. So you click on that, and here you have the option that says enter license code. Now what I'm going to do, I have my license code for security purpose. I will not be showing you what it looks like, but I'm going to simply go ahead and enter my license code there. So I'm going to simply press Ctrl V, and as I said, for the security purpose, you will not be able to see this because it's my license code. But once you enter that license code that you get, simply click on register. And as you can see, it is going to give you the confirmation that tells you that you have entered the license code, and it also tells you how much days this license code is for. So as you can see, it says I have the Pro Edition, and it lasts for 365 days. So basically 1 year. But once you enter that and you get a confirmation, simply click on OK. And that's all there is to it guys. As you can see now, after I entered that, it is now showing me that I no longer have the free edition, but I now have the pro edition. And you can see the date when it expired. You have the option to renew. You can see how much connected device are there, and you can continue to use AnyViewer the way you want, because now you have the pro version. So you have quite a lot more things that you can do with the pro plan. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.